This circuit board is covered in slime blocks. We need to clean those up while not damaging any of the levers or parts we need. In this tutorial, we'll look at one way how. In our code, we can see a chat command named fix and a loop. We want our agent to move and destroy the slime blocks, but only if they are slime blocks. An if block, along with a condition, can make that happen, so we don't have to tell the agent what to do every single time. Let's get an if block from the logic folder and drag it inside the repeat. We need the agent to detect the blocks to its right to see if they are slime blocks, kind of like a sensor. In the agent folder, there is an agent detect block that will do just that. Let's drag it into the condition of our if block. See how the shape just fits right? We don't need the agent to detect what is in front of it. We need it to check to its right. So let's change the forward to right in the dropdown. If the agent detects a block, we want it to be destroyed. We already used a block that can do that. Let's get the agent destroy block and add it inside our if block. We need to set this to the right as well. After checking each space to its right, we need the agent to move forward and do it again, no matter if it was a slime block or not. Let's have the agent move forward after checking and possibly destroying with an agent move block. Our command is fix. I bet you know how to run it by now. Hit play, open the chat, and type fix, and then send it. Notice how the agent can detect the slime and break it while leaving the levers alone. Our agent is learning, and so are we. On to the final tutorial.